There are a few different ways to find the Merced College Library databases. One way is to find them through the college website. To get started, head over to www.mccd.edu, and at the top of this website on the right-hand side, click on the magnifying glass icon to run a search for library. And in your result list, make sure to select the link that reads Library-Merced College. And here you are on the library's website. To find the databases, scroll down the page until you see a link that says Explore Databases. You can find this link in the box that reads Databases directly below OneSearch. And here we are on the A through Z databases page. This is an alphabetical listing of all the library's databases. At this moment, we have 68 databases. This may seem like a lot of databases to wade through, but there are a couple things that you can do to limit the number of databases that you see on this list. Notice across the top of this page that there are 3 drop-down menus, one for all subjects, another for all database types, and another for all vendors providers. The All Subjects drop-down menu contains a number of different disciplines, and next to the names of these disciplines, there's a number within parentheses, and that's letting you know how many databases we have that are relevant for this discipline. So as an example, when we see agriculture and plant science, there's a number 7 within parentheses. This is letting us know that there are 7 databases relevant to this discipline. I'm going to select this discipline now so that you can see this list. And here's where you would go about selecting one to run a search within. To clear this list, at the top of your results, there's a button that says Clear Filters, Browse All Databases, which I'm going to click on now to clear our list. And now we're back to the full list. The other drop-down menu that's called All Database Types, this can help you to narrow to databases that have certain types of sources. So for example, let's say your instructor said, hey, I need you to find a journal article, and you're wondering which databases have journal articles. Within this list, we see a section that says Articles or Journals, and then the number 36 within parentheses. That's letting you know that there are 36 databases that have articles or journals. And as our example, I'm going to click on this option, and here we have the list of 36 databases to choose from. Again, I'm going to clear the list by clicking on Clear Filters, Browse All Databases. And this brings us back to the full list. The third drop-down menu, All Vendors Providers, can help you to limit to databases by a specific brand. You might not use this a lot, but it's good to know what this is. When I select the drop-down menu, here we have a number of different databases. For example, if you were to drop down to EBSCO, notice that there are 30 databases provided by this brand. I'm going to click on it for our example. And here we have all 30 databases provided by EBSCO host. Now I'm going to clear the list again by clicking on Clear Filters, Browse All Databases. Now let's say an instructor is asked to use a specific database by name. While you could scroll through the list to find that database, what you could do instead is search for it in the Search for Databases search box, which is available just to the right of the 3 drop-down menus we just explored. For example, let's say that you needed to find the database that's called JSTOR. Simply type JSTOR and click on the Go button. And here in our results list, we see that we have JSTOR listed. To clear this list, again, I'm going to click on the Clear Filters, Browse All Databases button. And this brings us back to our full list. Another option that you have to look for a specific database by name is to use the letters of the alphabet located underneath the 3 drop-down menus. And so notice here we have A through Z. And to find JSTOR, for example, we would click on the letter J. And this takes us to all the databases that begin with this letter. And notice here we only have one database that starts with the letter J, so we're able to find JSTOR pretty quickly. Notice there is not a Clear Filters button here. To clear out the list when using the letters, simply head over to the little link that says All, just to the left of the letter A, and this will bring you back to the full list. If you need more assistance with selecting relevant databases or even how to use them, please get in touch with the Merced College Library faculty. We're happy to help you. A quick way to get in touch with us is to use the library chat, and that is actually located on this A through Z databases page, but you can also find it in other places. To find it on this page, head over to the bottom right-hand corner to find the icon that's a call-out. It looks like a conversation with 3 dots, and when you click on this icon, you'll be able to chat with the librarian.